Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to draw a Happy Sisters Day envelope. It is very easy, just follow me. First we draw a square on your paper. Draw a square in the middle. This is the main part of the envelope. Now draw heart. Then draw these lines for the slide flaps like these. Then we draw the card. Very good. Then we draw these three triangles. Make it look open. Then we draw some tiny hearts like these. Very good. Then we write here. That's good. Our drawing is ready. Time to color. Use blue color for the main body like these. This is a sky blue color. Make sure you fill in each section completely. Try not to leave any white spaces inside the colored areas. This will give your drawing a solid look. Try to stay inside the lines like these. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat like these. Complete this area. Very good. Now we use red color for the hearts. A very bright color. Very good. Also here. Very good. Then we use pink color for this section. In the last we use yellow color for the card. Great job. Don't cross the lines. Try to stay inside the lines like these. And there you have it, a unique and colorful Sisters Day envelope made with love. Allah Hafiz.